Oh, hey guys, it's 12:55. I have to hurry. Football's starting in 5 minutes. I've got to go. Wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of what we're going to start this week for Monday and Tuesday. We have all set. So tomorrow we're going to start just like normal early release day. We're going to read in our book together, complete a Venn diagram. You have a couple assignments in your reading notebook, a quick response. Your writing notebook is a fun little activity. We're going to do some iReady tomorrow, and then you have your independent reading log to fill out however much time you have until break. You'll fill with reading. We're doing a horrible job filling out those reading logs. And remember, that's the difference. If you're very, very close with a grade, Mr. Speen and I will go back and review the reading logs to see how much reading you're getting in. So if you're not getting in a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes, like at the very least, you need to go back. Because remember, if you run out of time during the day, that can be your homework. That can be your time. We need you to read for fun every day. Read stuff that you like. We're going to kick off our Candy Tower experiment. That will run for 2 weeks. Your final project will be due at the end of next week. So we'll discuss all the different things. You have a lot of freedom with that. We hope you guys have a lot of fun with it. We're going to practice some Math FS Day. We're going to move on to multiplication this week. Last week we re-reviewed division. The week before that we re-reviewed powers of 10. This week we're re-reviewing division. Your first monthly test will be sometime next week. We don't know the exact date yet. The whole school takes it on the same day. The C's will have art. The S's have music. Then you have some independent time to finish some of this practice that we have. We're going to do some of it together. Then we're going to watch our Toy Inventor flip grids and get started with our benchmark reviews. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to have like mini science quizzes. And you guys have to be present for science those 3 days, because the questions are tricky and they're worth a lot of points, but we're going to talk through them together. So we're going to help you. So if you're not at science at 11:50 on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it's not going to be good for your grade. So try to mark those days down. Don't be late. Also, remember your social studies, 180 days. Week 7 is civics. We're back to like U.S. landmarks. There are videos posted just so you parents can see. I'm going to come over. I'm going to go to social studies. Here's week 7 civics. We're talking about Mount Rushmore, the Statue of Liberty. Then we have our research. The questions on the quizzes are these questions right here. So if you get these answers, it's all the multiple choice questions, all it is. You do get to take the quiz twice. We're no longer giving you the answers. We're going to start to scale it back. You guys have to start. And you can't just do it whenever you want. It's open starting now. All the way through the end of next Sunday, and then it's closed, and you just get a 0 if you don't do it, okay? All that reopening assignments and giving you guys 100 opportunities, we're giving you 1 solid week to work on that now, okay? And then the last thing that you have the entire week to work on is your weekly investigation. We are investigating, why do pandas eat plants but polar bears eat meat? We've put in 3 videos. I couldn't decide which one to show you. They were all so good. This one talks about the panda bear pooping. It's disgusting. So here is the research. I'll give you a little hint. The quiz is all true and false about the vocabulary words that you see here. And then the very last question you're going to answer is, why do panda bears eat plants but polar bears eat meat? And there's a very specific reason that you'll hear in these 3 videos. And when you read through here, you'll kind of understand. There's one really major reason when it all started to happen and why it happened. So we're going to want you to answer that part of the question. You only get 1 chance at this one this week because of the essay question. So that is Monday. Now Tuesday, normally I wouldn't do 2 days in once, but I have to show you guys something. On Tuesday, we have our writing baseline assignment. You're going to log into School City. There's going to be 2 things to read with a prompt, and you guys are going to have to, we believe at this point, type a paper, bunch of paragraphs. It's the baseline, so it's the beginning of the year. Remember, it will be a little tough, but answer that prompt in a bunch, 3 or 4 paragraphs, a solid answer. But that is going to be 120 minutes out of our reading block on Tuesday. So that is all we're going to do on Tuesday. Then we're going to do a crack the code in math that will review division. And then we will review, because remember, starting on Wednesday, we're going to start our little science assessment. So we'll be doing a lot of that. You'll have some time to work on your STEM. And then remember, all of these social studies and weekly investigations are still open. So please, please, please make sure you are here Tuesday so that between 8 and 10 o'clock, we can get that writing assessment done with everyone so that we don't have to do tons of redos. Remember, it's a baseline. We just want you to try your best and do the best work that you can. It's going to be tough. It's a 5th grade level test, and you guys have not been in 5th grade for very long. So it will be challenging. We want you to do your total best, and we'll let you know more details about that when we have them. But please try to be here that day. All right, have a nice rest of your weekend. It's 12:59. I have to go watch football. Bye.